Welcome back to the episode 2 of the Recolors. So today we have the HW Exotic Series Porsche 904 Carrera GTS, and by the end of the video I'll have to wear my watch. Just a sec. Yep, by the end of the video, as I was saying, we'll be able to figure out which one is the best looking car and which one do I like the most. Alright, without any further ado, let's open them up. Yeah, this is the new style that I'm going with now. I will refrain from using knife. Okay, anyhow, I'm not doing anything with the card, so I figured might as well open them like this. Yeah, card saved. Wow, this looks big. Let me open this as well, so we can talk about both these cars at once. Wow, even this has opened nicely. Okay, wow, two extremely good looking cars. Damn. Whoa. So these are the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS, and let's talk about these cars. First one, we'll start with this. This was in your previous cases, you might have seen outright in the M case, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, this has a very nice and amazing silver color finish with the 86 badging on the side, Porsche logo. We also have a slight rear view mirror kind of thing going on here on the one side, right? You can see here as well. So yeah, that's there. On the front, on the hood, we have the same 86 livery with this 86 livery and with this cap. I don't know what this is, something to do with engines. Yeah, we also have the wiper detailing on this one. We have acrylic headlamps that are crazy good. The paint job is done exceptionally good. On the other side, we have the same 86 badging with the Porsche logo. We have here 86 badging, and we have the car name Carrera GTS. Nice embossed details here, and no rear details, but we have the tail lamp embossing and exhaust details. The base is pretty basic, and the wheel type that they have gone with is, just a second, DD8. So these are the DD8 wheels. That stands for deep dish 8 spoke wheels. Okay, yeah, so something new, and this comes in the exotic series as mentioned, right? Next up, we have the red color. Wow, this is a very distinctive red color. And just a sec, is it the same color as this one? And this is the Lamborghini, and this is the McLaren F1. Are these the same colors? A slight difference I can see. This is a bit darker, this is a bit brighter, and this is almost similar to the Porsche. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this looks pretty, race ready for me. The 86 badging on the door with white color. We have the same wheels in DD8. We have the black stripes here on the hood with the 86 livery, and there's a scratch on this one. We have the acrylic headlamp, acrylic lights. Same here. We have the white color badging of the Carrera GTS, which is smudged off, and same thing here as well. So right now I'll show you both these cars side by side. Okay, and this is the other side. This is the top look of these cars. Just a sec. Okay, so you can decide, like, you can let me know which one do you feel is the much better looking car. Okay, so we'll do a roll test quick. Yeah, front wheel wobble very much. Yeah, even on this one we can see the wheel wobble. So little about the car. It is that part of the video where I speak about the car. So these are the Porsche 904. These are the racing sports car manufactured by Porsche from 1964 to 1965, just 1 year. Sad. So designed by Ferdinand Alexander Porsche, the 904 was Porsche's first sports car since withdrawing from Formula 1 in 1962. That's crazy. So they made an attempt second attempt to be in the F1, and this is what they had landed with. Okay, these are the two cars. This is the one car in two colors, and 106 of these were produced for street legal compliance, right? That's pretty much it that I know from what I've learned so far. I don't know what this cut is here for. You can also see on the maybe it's the aero related to aerodynamics and all. And we have the indicated spoiler on both of these. Yeah, let me give you a closer look. Yeah, see that. Pretty good looking cars actually, and for me I think both these cars tie up. Like both these cars look much better. Even in this color looks great, even this color looks great. But if I had to tilt towards one of these colors, that would be the red one. It gives the pure racing vibe, but don't get me wrong that why this color is not good. Even that is a great color as well. Personal preference comes down to that. It all comes down to that. So yeah, this is the episode 2 of the recolors of the Hot Wheels mainline cars. I'll see you guys in the next one. I think next one is a pretty Japanese style video, so stay tuned for that. Let me know which one is the next video, and also tell me which of these is your favorite color. So yeah, do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting, happy life. See you in the next one.